For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a sewing business can be a rewarding way to turn your creativity and skills into a profitable venture. Whether you want to make custom clothing, alterations, home decor, or handmade accessories, sewing offers many niche opportunities. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline your startup process, saving time and providing expert guidance along the way. This step-by-step guide will walk you through launching your sewing business with the help of AI, from initial planning to marketing. Step 1. Define your sewing business idea and niche. Begin by clarifying what type of sewing business you want to start. Are you focused on clothing alterations, custom garments, quilting, costumes, or sewing crafts like bags and accessories? Identifying a niche will help target your marketing and better serve your ideal customers. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm your business idea and niche. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me define a sewing business niche that has good local demand and low competition." This can generate ideas and market insights you may not have considered. Step 2. Research your market and competition. Understanding your potential customers and competitors is essential. Use AI-powered research tools, such as Google Trends, to analyze sewing-related search terms and gauge interest. You can also utilize ChatGPT to analyze competitor profiles by entering, "Summarize the strengths and weaknesses of local sewing businesses in my area based on their websites and reviews." This research helps you identify gaps in a market, what customers want, and how to differentiate your business. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections. Free AI tools can assist in drafting this plan quickly and professionally. ChatGPT is excellent for this purpose. Use a prompt like, "Create a detailed business plan for a home-based sewing business targeting custom clothing and alterations, including marketing and financial sections." The AI will generate a structured plan you can customize, ensuring you don't miss important aspects like pricing, startup costs, and sales channels. Step 4. Choose your business name and branding. Your business name and branding create the first impression. Use AI to help generate creative and catchy business names. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT with, "Generate 10 unique and memorable names for a sewing business specializing in handmade bags and accessories." Additionally, use free design tools with AI features, such as Canva, which offers templates and AI-powered design suggestions to create your logo and branding materials. Input your business name and style preferences to get customized logo ideas. Step 5. Plan your budget and gather supplies. Calculate your startup costs, including sewing machines, fabrics, tools, workspace setup, and marketing expenses. AI tools can help with budgeting by generating expense estimates and cost-saving tips. Ask ChatGPT, "Help me create a budget plan for starting a small sewing business at home, including equipment, materials, and marketing costs." This helps you allocate funds wisely. Once your budget is clear, research and purchase necessary sewing machines and materials, prioritizing quality and durability. Step 6. Develop your product line or service offering. Decide exactly what you will offer: custom dresses, alterations, embroidery, or sewing workshops. Use AI to help design product ideas or service packages. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, "Suggest a range of sewing services and pricing options suitable for a small business catering to local customers." You can also use AI design tools to create digital mock-ups of your products or stitch patterns, helping you visualize and refine your offerings before production. Step 7. Build an online presence and marketing strategy. In today's market, having an online presence is crucial. Start by creating a simple website or online store using free platforms like Wix, WordPress, or Etsy. AI-powered website builders often offer drag-and-drop interfaces and content generation. To create website content or product descriptions, Use ChatGPT. Prompt: write an engaging homepage introduction for a sewing business that specializes in handmade children's clothing. For social media marketing, AI tools can help generate post ideas, captions, and hashtags. Ask ChatGPT. Generate 10 creative Instagram post ideas and captions to promote a new sewing business. Step 8. Set up sales channels and payment methods. Decide where and how customers will buy your products or services. You may sell directly from your website, through marketplaces like Etsy, at local craft fairs, or via social media platforms. Use AI to draft customer-friendly policies, such as return and shipping policies by prompting. Write a clear and professional return policy for a small sewing business selling handmade clothing. For payment, set up digital options like PayPal, Stripe, or Square, which are easy to integrate with online stores and offer secure transactions. Step 9. Manage operations and customer communication with AI. Once you start receiving orders, staying organized is vital. Use free AI chatbots or email automation tools to handle inquiries and confirmations efficiently. For example, platforms like MailChimp offer free plans with AI features to automate email marketing and customer follow-ups. You can also prompt ChatGPT to draft professional responses to common customer questions. Write a polite and helpful reply to a customer asking about custom sizing options. Step 10. Track progress and optimize your business. Regularly review your sales, expenses, and customer feedback. Use AI analytics tools available on social media and website platforms to understand what works and where improvements are needed. ChatGPT can help analyze feedback by asking, summarize customer reviews for a sewing business, and suggest improvements based on common comments. Use these insights to adjust your marketing, product offerings, and operations to grow your business steadily. Conclusion: starting a sewing business can be much easier and more effective with the support of free AI tools. From brainstorming your niche to managing customer communication, AI helps you save time, reduce costs, and improve your strategies. By following these steps, defining your niche, researching the market, planning, branding, marketing, and optimizing your operations, you will build a strong foundation for your sewing business. Embrace AI as your creative and operational partner, and watch your sewing venture flourish. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.